Hello YouTube, so today we are going to see an unboxing of the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Let's go.
This is the GoPro Hero 7 Black, the top end model from their Hero 7 series.
That's why I pre-ordered the GoPro, so I got this as a pre-order bonus. So this is the GoPro, and the features it mentions is 12 megapixel of camera, 4K at 60 frames per second, 10 meters of water resistance up to 33 feet. Live streaming from the GoPro app. It includes these accessories made for iPhone or iPad. हम तो Android वाले हैं, but yeah, there is an Android app too. These are the features, nothing else on the package. This is their importer name, official GoPro product. This is the new feature which is included in the GoPro Hero 7 Black, that is hyper smooth gimbal like stabilization. We will see how it looks. So let's get this bad boy out. Okay, so besides the GoPro, we are going to quickly see what is in the box. Oh, done. So the battery, sticky mount, a curved one, USB cable, and a regular mount. These are the accessories that are included. A user manual and much awaited GoPro stickers. This is how you use the GoPro. Let me just insert the battery and memory card and get back. Okay, so this is the menu that pops up. It's like a phone interface now. So this is the zoom, and we have all the capture settings available here. I'm not sure if my OnePlus can focus on it right now. Pro Tune stabilization 1140. Wow, a pretty odd. Okay, 4K 60 FPS. This will be great. Resolution 16:9, 4:3. Hyper smooth, and at 1080 you can go up to 240 frames per second. That's amazing. This is the field of view, super wide, and let me change to linear. So super wide is amazing, see, and just let me go to wide. Okay, finally we have the quick capture option. This is the lock, this is beeps and voice commands. So let me just check. GoPro, oh yes, GoPro, start recording. Okay, so at least we got that right. GoPro, stop recording. Good. Let me check how the audio sounds like. GoPro, stop recording. So this is me recording on the, I can't say the word right now because it will capture, because I have initiated the voice control, voice command, and this is a nice feature. Why? Because I am able to see the time it is running and the battery that is left on this GoPro. So good.